Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 3.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tesla said it would introduce new models by early 2025 using its current platforms and production lines, as it retreated from more ambitious plans to produce an all-new Model 2 that had been expected to cost $25,000. Australian consumer price inflation slowed less than expected in the first quarter, as service cost pressures stayed stubbornly high. A disappointing result for policymakers that led markets to abandon hopes for any rate cuts this year. After posting record-breaking earnings on the day of the Bitcoin halving, miners now face another reality: a high network hash rate and lower revenues pushing down profits. The hash price has reached its lowest level since October 2023.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product price index at 12:30 GMT. The French business climate in manufacturing at 6:45 GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:50 GMT. Japan's Coincident Index at 5 GMT. The UK's GfK Consumer Confidence at 23:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.